Hello, I'm Douglas Panyares of Filipino Homes. Start your day with the energizing morning sun at El Corso Light Malls. This is part 3 of 3, all year round of exciting events from dawn until midnight at El Corso. As for the other two beneficial presentations, part 1 of 3, rent to own 2-bedroom, move in right away after 5% down payment, and the 95% balance will be paid in 60 months at Amalfi Oasis in SRP, Cebu City. Part 2 of 3. Enjoy the resort amenities of Amalfi Oasis in Città di Mare at SRP, Cebu City. Contact Douglas F. Panyares, WhatsApp, Viber, and phone number 63915-842-6920. Email docpanares@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless.